As per our torrential slide cost expectation, the cost of AVAX certainly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to increment by $0.451964 over the genuinely next 7 days, coming to $9.31 by October 2, 2023 in a significant way. Assuming that you are looking for torrential slide market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to explicitly know where the cost of torrential slide, AVAX, may go from now on. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt, and for the most part foresee future cost developments in an unobtrusive manner. This value expectation is pointed toward responding to the greater part of your inquiries in a significant manner. Will torrential slide, AVAX, recover its all-time high, or so they thought? What will torrential slide be worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase torrential slide? Is torrential slide as of now giving bullish or negative indications, which is very huge? In this torrential slide cost expectation gauge, we will process different AVAX specialized markers to anticipate the cost of torrential slide, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecasts over the especially most recent 7 days, torrential slide, has been giving negative indications, as the coin dropped 4.44% incredibly. Because of this, we for the most part expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers explicitly make the most of this plunge, as a chance to purchase AVAX in a kind of large manner explicitly. Underneath you can see the torrential slide hourly, day-to-day, truly week-by-week and month-to-month cost expectations in a sort of enormous manner. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what torrential slide will generally be somewhat worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the sort of the following week, and sort of the following month. Torrential slide, AVAX, authentic cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of torrential slide is $8.86, and it is as of now essentially positioned number 22 out of all digital currencies. How much stockpile at present available for use for torrential slide in a real sense is 354,076,909 with an all-out market capitalization of $3,131,892,131. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of torrential slide is diminished by 1.05%, or so they thought. Torrential slide sort of struggles with picking up speed over the specific beyond 7 days, down 4.44%, which truly is very huge. AVAX is giving negative indications this week. This moment could be a decent opportunity to contribute on the off chance that you especially are considering purchasing torrential slide, which is very huge. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of AVAX explicitly dropped by 11.89%, lessening its past worth of $10.06 by $1.20 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This current downtrend in every practical sense implies that torrential slide, all things considered, is in plunge at the present time. The cost of torrential slide has dropped by 33.84% over the most recent 3 months, taking out $4.53 from its past worth of $13.39. Our torrential slide market conjectures basically are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the truly relative strength file, RSI, moving really normal intermingling disparity, MACD, moving in every practical sense, normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of torrential slide, sort of, is a troublesome errand, and numerous different elements impact the cost. Thus, the expectations on our side ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to do reasonably your own examination amazingly. Counsel your monetary guide prior to going with any speculation choices. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that torrential slide will accomplish a really most extreme cost of $15.95 as the market starts to recuperate by and large. The base expected cost generally is $10.63, and the typical cost will basically float around $13.29. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2024. As torrential slide proceeds to arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, torrential slide can accomplish a kind of most extreme cost of $24.81, while the truly normal cost for the year will remain around $22.16, which is genuinely huge. In the event that a bear market shows up, the in every practical sense, least value of AVAX can reach in 2024 truly is $19.50 in a significant manner. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2025 out of 2025. We anticipate the torrential slide should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas incredibly. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $33.68, averaging around $31.02. Torrential slide could explicitly see a base cost of $28.36. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2026 with the proceeded with development of in every practical sense, capital in the crypto market, torrential slide could arrive at a greatest cost of $42.54 in 2026, with a typical cost of $39.88 in an unobtrusive manner. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation generally sits at $37.22. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2027. Considering the reception of AVAX by nations all over the planet, torrential slide can guarantee a most extreme cost of $51.40 by 2027, with a typical cost of $48.74 anticipated in a really significant manner. Besides, the base cost for that very year could basically see $46.08, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2028 in the year 2028. Torrential slide reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to really acknowledge that crypto explicitly is setting down deep roots, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers could see AVAX arriving at a truly greatest cost of $60.26 by 2028, most certainly followed by a base cost of $54.94. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to explicitly be $57.60 in an every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2029 of every 2029. Because of the development over the kind of most recent 5 years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies the torrential slide financial backers may generally see AVAX especially accomplish an exceptionally greatest cost of $69.12, followed by a normal cost of $66.47. The fundamentally least cost got from our specialized examination in every practical sense is $63.81. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2030 for the year 2030. AVAX generally is supposed to fundamentally keep on energizing toward $77.99 in view of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help could especially see torrential slide exceptionally normal around $75.33 and base out $72.67. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2031 this year will be one to especially recall for torrential slide. In 2031, we expect that AVAX will basically come to another ATH of $86.85. The new least cost of torrential slide could be $81.53, which is very critical.